This poem is by Roger McGough. It's called The Snowman. Mother, while you were at the shops and I was snoozing in my chair, I heard a tap at the window, saw a snowman standing there. He looked so cold and miserable, I almost could have cried. So I put the kettle on and invited him inside. I made him a cup of cocoa to warm the cockles of his nose. Then he snuggled in front of the fire for a cozy little doze. He lay there warm and smiling, softly counting sheep. I eavesdropped for a little while, then I too fell asleep. Seems he awoke and tiptoed out. Exactly when, I'm not too sure. It's a wonder you didn't see him as you came in through the door. Oh, and by the way, the kittens made a puddle on the floor.